In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the default Wi-Fi name and password for your Netis router. Most routers come with a sticker located on the bottom or side that shows the default Wi-Fi network name and password. This label contains a lot of important information about your router. This label shows the default Wi-Fi name, which is often referred to as the SSID. The password or key can be located either beside it or underneath it. This is the pre-configured default Wi-Fi password. If a network name is visible and doesn't necessitate a password, it suggests that the network lacks security. To improve your security by altering these credentials, check out my other video. The link to the video can be found in the description below. If you're unable to locate your Wi-Fi on the network or if the password is wrong, you'll have to reset your Netis router to its original factory settings. Instructions for this can be found in a separate video linked in the description below. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and share your opinions in the comments.